Hi and welcome to Bikerheadz. My name's Ed and this is the 2019 Falco Lennox Boots. So after last year's ultra hot summer, Falco released the Lennox Boots. So what is this boot? As you can see, it's the classic trainer silhouette. There have been two colours. You've got this dark blue and tan leather, and then you've got the all black, absolutely maxed out version, all black, keep it nice and subtle. These two colourways absolutely on point for the season, absolutely on trend. So let's go through a few of the technical features of the Lennox boot. So as I say, trainer silhouette, you've got the AirTech material here, which is fully abrasion resistant, but when you feel it, it feels like an absolutely luxurious suede material running up the top half of the boot here on the upper. You've got a leather overlay on the toe, gives you that extra durability for those gear change pads, those hardware areas. And then on the D3O patch, you've got lovely detailing of oiled leather over the top of the D3O. As I say, the D3O armour built into this shoe. That's a British company, it's giving you the maximum amount of protection in those areas. As you know with Falco, European production, you're getting a fully CE approved boot as well. So that means you've got abrasion resistance, tear resistance, burst strength, but it also means that built into this sole, even though it looks like an ultra comfortable soft trainer sole, and it is ultra comfortable, you're going to get a crush resistant insole. What that means is if the bike falls onto your boot, that's going to resist the bike crushing your shoe. So you've got loads of protection built into the product itself. If I come back around to the front, you can see you've got laces. Motorcyclists tend to not like laces, they're difficult to do it with gloves. But as you expect with all Falco boots that have laces, you've got the zip down the side, so it's easy and now you just slide in, slide out, no problem at all. It's no harder to get into than any other boot you've owned. Coming back around to the front, if you have a look on the tongue area here, you've got a small pocket. Small pockets there so your laces can go up into that, so your laces don't get caught on the brake lever, the gear change lever or your foot pegs. So again, another little safety feature built into the tongue of the boot there. Inside the boot you've got a camo layer. So again, it's nice little detailing. They haven't ignored the inside of the boot. You've got that camo material so it looks beautiful and keeps it looking stylish. First, to give you a 360 of the boot, you can see it's that classic trainer silhouette, which means that on the toe, the sole of the boot here, you're going to get herringbone. That is the best traction you can get on the boot, so it's going to give you loads of grip in those wet conditions if you get caught out in the rain, of course. So running around the side, as you can see, absolutely beautiful product. For any more information on this product or the black one or the whole Falco range, you need to either go to bikerheadz.co.uk where you can download a copy of our catalogue, or you can get that from one of your dealers, or you can click below to like and subscribe.